Unit 3 practice. Sounds. My turn first, then your turn. A apple a. A safe a. E egg e. E jeep e. I itch I. I pine I. O octopus ah. O home o. U up U e mule u. U e rule oo. CH chin ch. TH thumb SH ship sh. O school oo. O book O U trout ow. O U soup oo. A W saw aw. O I coin oi. We're going to write some words for chaining. We're going to start with this word. This word says, yes, tool. I'm going to change the middle sound. Now instead of tool, my word says, yes, toil. I'm changing another sound. Which sound did I change this time? Yes, I changed the first sound from t to, yes, b. Now instead of toil, my word says, yes, boil. I'm going to change the first sound again, so now my word says, yes, instead of boil, my word is foil. Now I'm going to change, what sound did I change? I changed the middle sound from oi to e. Yes, e says e. So instead of foil, my word says, yes, feel. I'm going to change the middle sound again. Instead of feel, my word is, yes, fool. Instead of fool, my word is, yes, pool. Instead of pool, now my word is, yes, pooch. Instead of pooch, now my word is, yes, pouch. Instead of pouch, now my word says, yes, couch. Okay, that was the first chain we were going to do today. Now we've got another chain of words to read. And it's going to start with this word. This word says, yes, join. I'm changing join to, yes, coin. I'm changing coin to, yes, coil. I'm changing coil to, yes, cool. I'm changing cool to, yes, pool. Okay, let's move this one over and this one over. We need to have a blend at the beginning. So now our word is, so we had pool, now we have, yes, spool. We have spool, now we have, yes, spoon. Now we have spoon. Now we have, yes, soon. Now we have soon. This word says, yes, we went from soon to seen. And now from seen, we go to, oops, didn't need to do that, because SH is a digraph, it only makes one sound. So we went from seen to, yes, sheen. Good work chaining, friends.